All Harley Davidson sales. That's another one you should put on the list. Harley. What's this? Hockey pads? What's this? It's a rug. That look new. Let's see what that's about. I might put it back if I feel like I don't want it. Oh. Mark Anthony. I don't do. He don't sell like that. Not on mine. Linda Matthews. I don't know who that is either. This look like a nice one. Let's see. Sonic, he might sell. He's a game, so yeah, all the gaming stuff, that goes. I'm grabbing that. What kind of socks? Man. I should have kept them folded up, huh? This look like pink. Sudoku, who plays this? May y'all play this? I don't play that. I like movies. This look funny. I wanna watch this. That's crazy. What the fuck is this, huh? Oh, what the heck? Alright, go to this section, flip it around. Get up under that thing, you know? Make your back hurt. Pause. Make that sound a little sus. Blue Cannon. I don't know him. Winchester. This is doctor stuff. Oh, these scrubs, they be gone. That's Linty. I can still sell that though. To the flag. Keep this moving. Man, these look cold. What are those, man? They look nice right there. No cap. No cap. See people waiting around for the next bins to come out so they can run to them. Christmas shirt. Sorta. Today we're gonna be picky pickers. I told you. I'm gonna show y'all how to be picky now. Anything with the name all around it like this is gonna sell. I'm telling you, string missing, it's still gonna sell. Flip it upside down, flip it inside out so it won't get dirty. Nah, no more of that for me. Star Wars. No name. Oh yeah. That paint, I can get that paint off. That's a little paint. It's like something's wrong with it. Yeah.
Not here. The snaps make me feel like it's good.
Let's see. Gotta remember I got that 8 to 10. I'm trying to match up. The champions, 8 to 10. This gonna sell. Most definitely. See?
He messaged me and then I messaged him back like, what up? And he was like, oh.
This look cool, but I don't know. I don't know about that. There's too many of those. Costume. I don't even know what that is. He's a nobody. To me. I wouldn't have found that. Oh yeah, thank you for this. Thank you. You see what that is? Thank you. Thank you very much for not taking it, sir. Let me look for the other Farrah. True religion. True religion, y'all. You see that? That look nice. They slipping. Slipping on they pippin'. What else is down here? I found the shoe. Super come up, baby. That's how we like them. See, they lining up for the new bands. Y'all had all this good stuff over here. Y'all lining up. Oh. That's why that Victoria's Secret bag looks nice. Look at that. Got a little dust on it. I might grab that. Any stuff that like bling, any stuff that be blinging, that's that steel. I can go home right now if I wanted to and be super straight.